Hello viewers and welcome to the CarWale workplace, and I have Sid with me.
Hello.
And we have a very special occasion because of which we're here today, and we wanted to share it with you viewers. Now you've already seen the previous video where we hit 100,000 subscribers and Vikrant introduced you to the entire team. And now YouTube has sent us this plaque.
Yeah.
In appreciation of the 100,000 subscribers that we got. And since this is because of you, our viewers, we wanted to unbox this plaque in front of you, right?
Yeah, let's get to it.
All right, let's do it.
Well, before I start, I want to talk about one of the most favorite videos on the channel. So we have this 2017 off-road day that we did.
Yes. Right.
Unfortunately, I was not part of CarWale at that time, but it is one of the highest ranking videos on our channel. It has got the most views on the channel, and it, I think, laid the seeds for the hard work that we have put on the channel for all these years. It's a very detailed video. It's a fun video to look at. So let's take a look actually.
Okay, so since Sid chose the 2017 CarWale Off-Road Day, which was also my favorite by the way, but I would like to go with something else. My favorite video was the driver series that Vikrant started.
Yeah.
Now, it was something very special and it was something very different because we didn't do it with high performance sports cars. We did it with your everyday bread butter cars like the Honda City, like the Polo GT TSI, we did the Maruti Swift. Now these cars, like I mentioned, are everyday bread and butter cars but have a sportier side to them. And just looking at Vikrant, go about it, driving flat out, it's something that we've never seen those cars do. We never imagined a Swift or a Honda City could go around the corner like that with the tail out and stuff like that, and it was just amazing.
And there were shots of his foot action also.
Exactly.
So, and people appreciated that.
Right, and people really loved that. I think we need to start that again.
Yeah.
But
maybe with
now,
SUVs?
Exactly.
Yeah.
But I think it won't be as dramatic, but yeah, I mean, you have sporty SUVs as well. But for now, that is my favorite series. And now it's my turn to cut this. Alright, since we're done with my favorite series of videos, I think it's time we call Neeraj, who's behind the camera.
Hi
Abhishek.
Hi Neeraj. So he's the guy, as Vikrant informed you all, who's in charge of everything that we do on video, and he's the one who makes it look so awesome.
Thank you.
So Neeraj, we've given our favorites. What is your favorite that you've shot for CarWale?
My favorite would be Mahindra Altoros G4, which we shot in literally in 2 hours.
Oh wow.
Yeah, we had some other shoot I think so lined up, and we got only 2 hours to shoot. And that day you can't believe it, the light was so magical in the morning.
Yeah, we could see that in the videos.
That video came out so very well, and the comments which I got, except Vikrant's, that was very great, wonderful for me.
Yeah.
So in case you haven't seen it, please do check the Alturas G4 review, and I'm sure, like Neeraj says, you'll love it. Alright Neeraj, it's time for you to cut the final tape.
Wow,
And no candles here.
so exciting. Thank you, YouTube.
Alright, thank you viewers, thank you YouTube, and let us unbox this thing. Sid, do you want to try?
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh no. Okay.
Ooh. Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. That is nice.
There's a letter
And yeah.
signed by Susan, the CEO of YouTube. Thank you, ma'am. And
let's pick up the gold. Rather
silver. Time gold kill.
It will come. The viewers love us, so I'm sure we'll get a gold soon.
Oh wow.
Wow. That is awesome. That is awesome. That is awesome. So thank you again, viewers. All this is thanks to you all giving us your love and your likes and your subscribes. So keep doing that so that we get more milestones like these and give out quality content to you all. Thank you again.
Thank you.